Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to fix guided access not working on iPhone. So if you enable guided access on your iPhone and the guided access is still not working, then I'm going to provide just two solutions that you can use to fix guided access not working on any iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First, the first you want to do here is this. Go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, go to accessibility, scroll down and click on guide access under general and turn off guided access. So once turned off guide access, exit the settings page and then swipe up, close the settings. Now go ahead and open the settings application again. Once opened, scroll down again, click on accessibility, scroll down and click on guide access under general, turn on guide access. Then here, go to password settings and click on that. Turn on Face ID, that is double click the side button to end guided access with a Face ID and tap set guided access passcode. Then go ahead and set your guided access passcode. Then with this, the guided access is supposed to start working, but if it fails to work, when you press the side button 3 consecutive times, then there's another way you can do this. So go ahead and press the side button 3 times. You see that? So the guide access seems not to work right. Then here is what you need to do. Exit the guide access page and now press the volume up button once, volume down button once, and then the side button. Volume up, volume down, then side button, press and hold it, and then when you see slide power off, just keep pressing until your iPhone screen goes blank, and then once you see the Apple logo comes up again, then you can now let go of the side button. So this is to first restart your iPhone forcefully and then clear the iPhone app cache. So once you do this, just hang on while the iPhone turns on, and once the iPhone turns on, just go ahead, type in your iPhone passcode to access the iPhone home screen. Now, once you're on the iPhone home screen, go ahead now, launch the application where you want to use the guided access on. So let's say here, I want to use guided access on Chrome browser, then go ahead and press the side button 3 consecutive times. Then hang on. After a couple of seconds, you see the guided access pop-up. Guided access started. Hang on. After a couple of seconds, like 2 to 5 seconds, then you'll be prompted to type in your guided access passcode. Then hang on. You see that? Guided access. Then go ahead and tap resume. Then once you resume guided access, you should see the guided access start working on your iPhone. You see that? Then you'll not be able to exit this page again. Now to exit the guided access, all you just need to do is come back again and press the side button 3 consecutive times. Then hang on. Once you do that, you'll be prompted also to type in your guide access passcode, then go ahead and do that. Once you do that, then you can now come here and tap end guide access. Once you click on end guide access, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to fix guided access not working on iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.